Hello everybody, today we are going to be making
Banana bread.
So first I'm just going to tell you all the ingredients that you're going to be needing. First, you're going to need flour. Got some flour here. Then you're going to need baking soda or powder, vanilla extract, salt, sugar, eggs, sour cream, 2 medium bananas. We got ripe ones. The riper the better. Half a cup of melted butter. We already melted it here. A bowl and just measuring cups. And also you're gonna need like a spray or butter and just spray the pan, or just have melted butter and just put it over the pan like I already did. So the first step you're going to need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And before you do it, you have to make sure that there's nothing in it, or else doom will come to you. So then you're gonna start it, and we'll see that when we're finished to see if it's ready. So first you're going to get your spray, and as I said, I already did it, but you're gonna spray it, or with your butter, like I said. It's better to use the spray though. Butter is just if you don't have to spray, and you need to do it now. And then we're going to come over here. You're going to get a big bowl, and can you scooch over? And you're gonna get your butter and pour it into your bowl. And I'll show it to you in a sec. And just so you know, guys, it can be salted or unsalted butter. It doesn't really matter. So here's the butter in it. Can't really show you that well. Now you're going to need to get your sugar. Okay. And you're going to want to grab measuring cup for 1 sec. Drum roll, please. 1 cup. You're going to need 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup of delightful sugar. Or 2 half cups for 4th cups and 3 third cups. Okay, that didn't really make sense. So I'm just gonna open the sugar. And didn't I say scooch this way? So now you're going to grab the sugar, and we can say this is about half of it. So we'll put that in there, and we're going to grab another half. Put that in there. And now you are going to mix it. So we'll be back when she's finished mixing that. Okay guys, after finished mixing that butter and sugar, finely mixed by my beautiful sister. So you're going to get 2 eggs, and I've already cracked them and mixed them. And then you're just going to pour it in there. Don't mix yet, Siri. And then you're going to want to get vanilla extract, and you're going to need 1 teaspoon of this. We have only 1/4 teaspoon, so we're just going to do 4 of these. So 1, 2. This is a counting lesson, guys. Make sure you're following along. 3 and 4. So let's go for 4 likes today, guys. And now you can start mixing. Unisiri. be back after she's finished mixing. Okay guys, so after you finish mixing it up, you're going to want to put 1 cup of flour, any flour like I said in the beginning, into the mixture. And I already put half a cup in there, so now we're gonna move on. So we're gonna need the 1/4 teaspoon again. I'm just gonna use the other side. And we're going to have baking soda and salt. And the baking soda is going to be 1 teaspoon, like the vanilla extract. So yeah, baking soda is not my favorite to put. Okay. Yeah, we'll be back when I'm finished putting the baking soda in here. Okay guys, so after you're finished mixing all of that, you're going to get 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So right here, it's 1/4, don't mix. And another 1/4. And now we're just gonna put, you just have to put 1/2 of sour cream, but I like a lot of sour cream in my banana bread. It's just, the sour cream is the thing that makes it the moist, and that's why my family and I love it. So, I'm just gonna scrape all of this, easy. And this is gonna be about 1/2 cup of sour cream. Okay, that's about it. So, now you're gonna mush up the bananas that you have. I already did, because I just wanted to save time for you guys. And now we're just gonna pour this in, and then Uniseries mixer is going to be mixing all of this up. If I don't drop the banana bowl in there. Okay, so now Uniseries, you can mix, and we'll see you after that. Okay guys, so now we're going to pour this into the pan.
Oh, but Jay, I want to taste it.
We'll do that after this, okay?
Okay.
Funny girl. Okay, looking good. Okay, Siri, you can taste it now.
Oh, yes, I'm going to taste test it too. Go ahead, taste it.
The only thing we love more than actually eating the banana bread is tasting the batter. Okay guys, now we're going to bake this delicious batter in the oven for 60 minutes. But also make sure, if you want, you can put chopped walnuts in there. We just don't like walnuts, so I'm just not going to do that. And so make sure you're being safety mitt. And if it's hard for you to like put it in there, you can have like another mitt or like a little towel. But I don't really need 2 hands for this. Okay, and also make sure before you put it in there that it is already set and it's at 350 degrees. It should be there. So now you're gonna set a timer for 60 minutes because you need to bake this for 60 minutes. And we'll see you in an hour. Okay guys, so after you take it out, as you can see, it's been an hour of long and hard waiting. But before you're saying, yes, we can eat it now, you should take a knife or a toothpick or something, like even a straw, and just poke it like in the middle and take it out. And as you can see, that looks pretty clean, which means that it's done. If it has like sticky stuff on it, that means that the batter's still not finished. And then you'll put it in there for another 5 to 10-ish minutes. It's better to do for like 5-ish minutes at a time. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the perfect banana bread. And I hope you liked this video. Make sure if you did to leave a like so your banana bread will turn out like this. And to subscribe so all of your banana breads will turn out as beautiful as this. And I'll see you in the next video. See you soon, right?
Bakers.
Haha. Mmm.
Mmm.
Okay guys, so I'm just gonna grab these beautiful eggs and put it in our mix. Why are you looking at me like that? Oh yeah, I need to crack it first. 1 sec.